Biosphere 2 was the world's very first human-made biosphere, and still is today the highest fidelity space base that has ever been built and operated here on planet Earth. It is a completely sealed container within which we recreated planet Earth's biosphere in miniature. All the plants that are surrounding us within our biosphere are giving us our oxygen. So it is fully recycling all of the oxygen. That's exactly what one would have to do on a spacecraft that is going to another solar system. Food is at the center of not only our society on Earth, but also it'll be at the center of the life support system and probably the society that's within this spaceship. This slope with volcanic rock that's behind me is fairly recent. When I was in here, it was a farm. I was responsible for its operations. And so we had all kinds of crops that you might imagine: sweet potatoes, white potatoes, beans, and papaya and bananas. And because we couldn't eat the greens from the sweet potatoes and the peanuts, we gave them to the goats that we had. We had chickens, goats, and pigs in here. And so the goats were then turning all of that inedible biomass, as we call it, into things that we can eat, like milk or eggs in the case of chickens. But at the time, it really wasn't known whether we could make it through the full 2 years. And I'll never forget the day when another biospherian walked into breakfast. He looked ashen. And he comes in and he says, "We've lost oxygen. I don't know where it is." And it was a lot of oxygen by then. Ambient oxygen is around 21%, and in Biosphere 2, it got down to about 14.2%. We could really feel it. We discovered it was being trapped in the form of CO2 that was being absorbed in all this concrete. Turns out that that was a design flaw of this particular biosphere. We shouldn't have put all this concrete in here. We had to pump oxygen in because it was getting so low that eventually it would have damaged our health. And all of a sudden, it was like this huge weight had been lifted off our shoulders.